Now, the market is currently in a very interesting state. We've got a fear and greed index at a level of 39 fear, yet prices are doing very well. Bitcoin sitting at 109,000, Ethereum sitting at $4,400 per coin, and XRP still floating around that $3 mark at $2.75. Now, we've had one of the most anticipated launches of the year taking place this morning with World Liberty Financial. And as such, we're going to dive into some of the details. We're going to talk about its price action. We're going to talk about where you guys can grab it if you want to. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro. Now, you guys do have a link for the KSEX exchange down in the description below. So if you would like to use that, it's going to pull you up to the KSEX exchange here, and you're going to be able to trade on spot or leverage. You can actually buy World Liberty Financial on up to 25x leverage if you're interested. But volatility is in full swing this morning as hundreds of thousands of wallets are claiming the World Liberty Financial token, and even more are buying and selling for the very first time. But with that, let's take a look at what some of these analysts say, and then let's take a look at another altcoin that could do very well in the future. It says the WLFI token, backed by World Liberty Financial and directly tied to the President of the United States, officially launched today on major platforms like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. With a circulating supply of 25 billion tokens, a quarter of the total 100 billion token supply, the new altcoin entered the market with a $7.4 billion market capitalization and a fully diluted value of $30 billion. World Liberty Financial, a token that promises to generate as much excitement as controversy, serves as the governing token for World Liberty Financial's ecosystem, which includes DeFi payment platforms and the USD1 stablecoin. The token's smart contracts were built on Ethereum, and a company by the name of Cypherin was responsible for auditing the code. And if you look at it, analysts are actually expecting very good things. If you come down here, it says that with only a fraction of that money, the price could hit $1, even without it. And talking about that, here's the money that they're discussing. It says World Liberty Financial has loads of cash to pump into their own prices. They raised $700 million in pre-sale, plus $1.5 billion from a NASDAQ-listed company forming a treasury company. This is We Rate founder Quentin Francois on X saying this. So literally over $2 billion could flow in to World Liberty Financial token. Now, right now, the volatility is coming as traders are unlocking their tokens, claiming their tokens, and trying to find a base. At a 26-cent price point, this is roughly, I believe, a $6.5 billion valuation. Yeah, $6.3 billion valuation for World Liberty Financial at the moment, and an even larger fully diluted valuation at $26 billion. So if you guys are interested in learning more or grabbing World Liberty Financial, you've got that link for the KSEX exchange down there. But do not forget, diversification is key, especially leading into a bull market where opportunity is abundant. So one of the tokens that I've been diversifying into is Bitcoin Hyper. If you guys are interested in learning more or researching more about Bitcoin Hyper, you've got a link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here, and then from there, it's very easy to navigate. In 12 hours and 32 minutes, the price is going to rise again. Currently priced at 1.2835 cents. They've raised $13.272 million just in the last several weeks. And with that, they're building a layer 2 Bitcoin network. It says you're going to be able to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper, and then on the layer 2 network, transact in near instant finality with very cheap fees. Utilizing zero-knowledge proofs, it sends that info back to the Bitcoin network where it's validated on the blockchain. And finally, when you're ready to withdraw, all you do is initiate that request, and it moves your tokens back over from Bitcoin Hyper to the Bitcoin network to your original Bitcoin wallet address. If you guys have additional questions or you want to research more, they've got a lot of frequently asked questions down at the bottom of the page, but you can also join their X account, their Telegram account, and try to get in touch with them directly if you've got a question that is not answered there. So with that, right, fear is currently causing prices to be low. Altcoin season is on the brink. It is trying its best to start. It was a level of 52 yesterday, 46 today, I believe 59, 58 2 days ago. It is trying its best to start, with Ethereum trying to pump back up above $4,400, XRP 276, BNB 850, Solana right at the $200 threshold, and Bitcoin above 109,000. Opportunities around every corner, but only if you take advantage of it. And that is exactly what I'm doing. I want to know what you guys are doing. Let me know down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.